You want to go? Want to go? Here we go. Go to the door. Go wait at the door. Go to the door. Wait there. Welcome to Beachwalks with Rocks. Today is show number 68, and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. Should we go? We've got a good morning, Lex. Excuse Lexi while she has a private moment. And then we're going to run to the water. Want to get your ball? You want to get your ball? Want to chase your ball? What do you think? Ready? I think maybe we should have a contest to see how many times Lexi will chase her ball before she gets bored. We've done it for about 30 minutes, and so far she's not gotten bored. So maybe you want to submit a guess, and then one day we'll stay here and we'll just keep throwing the ball that many times until Lexi quits. It might be 50, 100, 250, maybe it would be 1,000. I really have no idea because I have no idea what her limit is. So far, she's unlimited in her interest in chasing the ball. Aren't ya? Come here. Come here. Ready again? The problem, of course, with that is that she likes the ball so much that I think sometimes she doesn't like to go swimming with me. Like the other day when I went all the way to Flat Island and she sat here on the beach without me. But I'm going to go swimming today. I'm going to hope that she's going to join me. Yeah, you going to go swimming with me? Yeah? Protect me from the sharks, huh? Anyway, she's a very good swimming companion for the most part. As you've seen on film, she usually beats me, especially on the way home. When I say go to shore, regardless of where we are, it's amazing. She knows exactly what point on the beach to come back to, which, you know, when you're way out there, it's really... Oh, wait a minute, Lexi, there's a call. We've got a call on the conch.
Hi, Lexi. I love watching your shows. They're so exciting. I love watching the part when you're splashing around in the water. I so wish I can be there. And so you're a friend.
All right, far out. Lexi, that was from our friend Christopher. Yeah, that was from our friend Christopher. He likes it when we splash around in the water. So should we go swimming? I think it's a wrap, folks. We're going to go for a swim, and I can't take my mic out there in the water. Thanks for joining me today. My secret cameraman is back. I'm so happy. If you'd like to Skype, you can Skype at Roxanne Darling. If you want to call, it's 949-544-1456. Aloha.